Congratulations on deciding to offer a 401k plan to your employees. This video will explain in 5 easy steps how quick and easy it is to process a payroll through PAI's employer website. Step 1. Start by logging into the employer website with the credentials created during the plan setup. When you arrive at the employer site, you will see all the latest updates for the plan right here on the home page. To start processing a contribution, hover over the Contributions tab in the navigation bar and click Contribution Processing. Step 2. The Contribution tab keeps track of the payroll dates for which you still need to submit payrolls based on the payroll schedule information provided during your setup. Highlight the contribution date that needs processing and click Begin Processing. Step 3. Next, you are presented a list of all employees in your plan as of the pay period selected. You will then enter the gross earnings information for all employees listed in your payroll report. Step 4. Next, click Calc and Review, and the system automatically calculates all applicable deductions and benefits to be applied to your employees. Step 5. Compare your payroll report to the calculated values, noting the ACH amount totaled at the bottom. Compare this value with what you expect will be pulled from your bank account for all deductions, benefits, and any applicable loan repayments. Finally, click Submit. And that you are sure you want this payroll to process. You can view your contribution processing history at any time under Reporting for Employer Reports. Check out the Payroll Contribution History Report information located there. That's it! 5 steps and your payroll contributions are submitted. If you have several employees to process contributions for, we also offer a contribution upload option. Our award-winning customer service team is able to walk you through those steps at any time. In the event that you would like payroll contributions to be handled automatically, check out our list of national payroll integration partnerships available at www.pai.com. With payroll integration, you can eliminate all 5 steps and minimize data entry errors. For more information on choosing an integrated payroll company, you can also speak with a PAI representative today to discuss your options to make payroll integration work for you.